welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing an unpack with me. I really like to watch pack with me videos. I think that they are so fun to watch on YouTube. But whenever I go to film a pack with me myself, I find it very stressful and chaotic. I think it's because I not only am packing for myself now, but I also pack for my husband and I pack for our little freshly one-year-old baby boy. So there's a lot going on, and sometimes we're bringing the dog with us, so I have to get her stuff ready, etc, etc. So when I go to film a pack with me, I feel like I'm in a pure panic and it just ends up not happening. It's like way too chaotic. So I thought that instead, from this last trip that we just took, I would keep all of the stuff together that I had packed, and I will show you what I brought with me, what made sense for the trip, what I didn't end up using, etc. I think it's gonna be fun. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now. Go ahead, join us here. I do a mix of lifestyle and travel content. I also have an upcoming travel newsletter. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe below. There's a link in the description, and let's go ahead and jump into this video. I have all of the clothes that I packed for the trip here on this handy dandy clothing rack. But I thought before I show you everything, I should probably describe the trip and what the vibe was and the vibe that I was going for with my clothing choices. I also am going to show you my makeup and stuff that I packed as well. So our plan was originally going for 9 days to Chicago and to Northwest Indiana. We're visiting both sides of the family there, celebrating our baby boy's first birthday. Since we were staying with family, I packed extremely light, knowing we'd be able to do laundry whenever we would need to. So I think with that in mind, I packed for about 4 days, knowing that we'd do laundry. The weather while we were there was definitely hot, not as hot as here in North Carolina, nowhere near as hot as here, but it was very humid. It's actually very humid in Chicago and in Northwest Indiana. It's so humid. So I wanted to be prepared for that. I also knew that while we were in Indiana staying with my parents, I knew we were going to be having a very low-key time. Like, we'd go out and about a little bit, but my parents have a pool. I knew we'd be swimming, hanging out around the house. So I wanted my outfits to be cute, but also very comfortable. So that was kind of my approach. We were going for a cute but comfy kind of vibe. So this is my little capsule for our trip to Chicago and Indiana. So I'm gonna start with my travel outfit, but I do have a note to say, which is that our trip kind of got thrown around a little bit because our flight was the day after the outage happened with that Microsoft thing, and all of the flights got canceled and delayed. So we ended up driving, long story short, we ended up driving. Our trip got a little longer because of that, which was fine because, again, of the laundry. But we did end up driving. And so I had initially picked out this outfit as my travel outfit. It is just a little cropped white crew neck t-shirt and these navy blue linen pants from Quince, which have become one of my all-time favorite summer pants. These are so comfortable. I actually did a whole review on the brand Quince. They sent me a suitcase and packing cubes to try, which I actually did use on this trip. I unfortunately obviously was not able to test the suitcase on the flight, but did a great job on our drive. I love the packing cubes and I'm obsessed with them. I will use those packing cubes on every trip going forward. I can link all those things below, but I did review some clothing in that video, so I will link that video above and in the description. But these are the linen pants from Quince. I got them in this navy blue color. I'm obsessed with them. It is so hot in Raleigh, and this is the only pant I will wear because the linen is so breathable, so breezy, and so lightweight. So I love these. So I picked this outfit for the plane because I wanted to wear pants on the plane. I didn't want to have bare legs on the plane for a variety of reasons. I don't know, I just feel very exposed to the germs. Also, it gets cold on the plane, and also, I don't know, it's just more comfortable, I feel like, to be wearing pants instead of shorts or a dress on a plane. So I wanted to wear pants. So we were in a pure panic the morning of our trip because instead of trying to reschedule our flight for a different day, which is what we would have had to do, we decided spur of the moment to drive. So we were frantically getting everything together, making sure we were thinking through every detail. And I wish I would have taken a beat and really thought through my outfit for travel, because I ended up wearing this outfit on our drive, which was fine. It was very comfortable, loved it. But I did not wear these pants again the entire trip. I wish that I would have left the pants back, because when I tell you it was so humid, you guys, it was so humid. I was drenched in sweat. It was horrible. But I wish that I would have left the pants and still brought the t-shirt to have as part of my capsule. But I wish that I would have really thought about it and instead worn my activewear outfit that I brought, because I brought one workout super casual type outfit, just bike shorts and like an oversized t-shirt and a sports bra. And I wish that I would have just worn this outfit as my travel outfit, because then I definitely would have reworn this and it just would have been one less thing, especially since I didn't wear the pants the rest of the trip. So that is one thing I probably would have done differently, but with that in mind, that was my travel outfit. Like I said, this is like the one little like active, super casual outfit that I brought: sports bra, Costco bike shorts, and an oversized t-shirt. I wanted to bring at least one dress for when we went to dinner. We did have a birthday party to go to, so I knew we were gonna go to at least one nicer dinner out with my family. So I brought this cute little dress. This is from Cider. I can link this, but the birthday party we were going to was like water mermaid type theme. So I wore this dress. It literally has shells and starfish and a mermaid on it. I just think this is the cutest print. It is just like a little like button-up sleeveless shirt dress. I will say the collar is a little funky. I think the top is a little big on me, but I just pin it in place with a safety pin so that it's not gaping in a weird way. But I absolutely love this dress. I just think this is like so cute. It hits like right at the knee. I wanted to bring one more like more elevated outfit that I could easily throw on casual or like to go to dinner or something like that. So I brought this really cute shorts romper from Abercrombie. I absolutely love this. It is so breezy, so easy to just throw on as a cute little outfit. It has shorts on the bottom and it's just super cute. Little pockets here, buttons up. Also for a romper, it's like fairly easy to get on and off, which, as you know, is very important. So I brought this as kind of like a second, like potentially dressier item. For my tops and bottoms, the capsule really kicked in because I really wanted to only bring things that could be worn together. If you will recall, I had the white t-shirt that I wore on the trip there. I also brought this little tank top from Hollister. I really love these tanks from Hollister. I really like because you can choose the length of them. You can go with like a more cropped one, or you can do a longer length, which is what I did with this. And it just hits in the perfect spot. It's not too short, not too long. I brought this black linen tank top, again, slightly cropped. I love this one because it has like a little lower scooped back, which I think is really cute. So lightweight and breezy, feels like you're wearing nothing. So we love that energy in the summer. And then I brought this little ribbed white sweater polo tank from Old Navy. I'm obsessed with this. I also have this in navy blue with a little white stripe, and they are so cute. I'm so tempted to get every color, but I will not. I don't need it, but I just think that these are so classy and cute. Again, the perfect crop level. It's not too cropped. If you're wearing a higher waisted pant, you're not like showing your stomach, which is what I desire. So I like that this is a little bit longer and it's just so cute. The last top that I brought was just a very simple linen blend white button down. This is from Old Navy. This is my favorite button down. I actually did buy two of these because I love it so much. It is the boyfriend shirt from Old Navy. It's the linen one. It is so soft and so breathable. I keep saying breathable. I feel like I've said that 40 times in this video, but I feel like that is so important when you're wearing things in the summer, especially if you're looking for a layering piece. I love to bring shirts like this on trips. I wear this shirt all the time at home because I just don't always like my skin being fully exposed to the sun. Sometimes it's just like too much for me. I'm scared I'm gonna get burnt, so I like to throw on a button-up shirt, and this one is perfect because it is so breathable. It does not make me feel too hot when I wear it, and I just love it. So 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm honestly tempted to buy more of them, but I will stop myself. Like 2 is probably enough, probably. So I went very simple with the bottoms to mix and match with all of these shirts. Literally, I can wear all of these with any of these bottoms, which I absolutely love. I mean, that's the definition of a capsule, obviously, but still, I just like marvel when I'm able to do that because I used to be such an overpacker. I used to just like throw things in without a plan or a care in the world. And I've changed as I've gotten older. So these are the 2 bottoms that I brought. The first pair is these linen shorts from Quince. Again, this has become my favorite pair of shorts to wear this summer. I'm obsessed with these. I'm, again, so tempted to get them in more colors, but I'm like, Christy, get a hold of yourself. I love the color and print of this. This is like a tan, a very light tan and black little checkered print. Is this technically gingham? Is this gingham? I don't know. Regardless, I absolutely love the print. They are so comfortable. Like, they're my favorite shorts. I wear these literally all the time, and they are so, so comfortable, So easy breezy, beautiful cover girl, and they go with so many things. So I definitely brought these and wore them a ton while I was there. And then I also brought these black shorts from H&M. I think I got these 2 summers ago. Last summer, 2 summers ago, and they are super simple, high-waisted black shorts. They have a little cuffed hem at the bottom, a little button here, and very stretchy at the waist, so they're extremely comfortable. But again, like, I could wear these shorts with literally any of the tops that I brought. I was very tempted to bring a pair of denim shorts as well. I actually had my black denim shorts hanging on the rack when I was like picking out my outfits. I already have like 2 one-piece outfits. You have a dress and a romper. I think 2 shorts will be enough, especially if I'm planning to do laundry every 3 to 4 days. I had more than enough. So I'm glad that I did not bring those shorts because I definitely did not need them. So pat on the back for planning my packing well. The last clothing item that I brought was some pajamas. So obviously we went with a very neutral theme for my day-to-day outfits and my clothing. Well, my pajamas are a different story. My pajamas are here for a good time. They're here for a party. So I brought my favorite sleep shirt, which is this big tie-dyed shirt. I'm obsessed with this shirt. I love to sleep in this shirt, lounge in this shirt. The colors are literally perfect. And then I also have these little blue boxer shorts from Aerie that I think are on clearance now, so I can link those too. But I wear these all the time too. I have these, like 3 pairs of these, and they are just the shorts that I rotate through for my nighttime lounge wear, which is obviously super cute and aesthetic. As far as my shoes go, I made a bold choice when I was packing, and I was like, you know what? I'm going to wear my sneakers on the way there, and I will bring 1 pair of sandals. This is what I originally packed. So I brought, they're actually both from the company Baird Footwear. I feel like they have really great, cute, but supportive shoes. These are so dirty, so please don't judge it. But I brought my white leather sneakers from Baird Footwear. These just go with literally everything. They even have this cute little like gold star detail on the back. I need to wash these. How do I wash them? I better Google it. But I brought these because they literally go with anything. Like, they will go with literally any outfit. And they are not like a sporty sneaker necessarily. They're definitely more of like a fashion sneaker. So I feel like they look very nice with outfits. Like, you can not dress them up, but you know what I mean. You can wear them in a cute, stylish way, and you don't look like sporty or too casual, if that makes sense. So I brought these sneakers, which were a great choice. Wear them all the time. So the sandals I decided to bring, again from Baird Footwear, are these really cute woven leather sandals. They're a really nice neutral beige color, and then they have a really cute little sling back clasp. These are very comfortable. They do tend to rub a tiny bit around like the outsides of my feet just when it's really hot out and my feet get sweaty. But across the board, they are very comfortable, very easy to slip on and off. And so I went back and forth when I was packing. I was like, should I bring my Tevas? Like, should I bring a super casual sandal just for kicking around? And I decided not to, which was a mistake. I absolutely should have brought my Tevas because we were by the pool. I wanted something easy to throw on when we walked Lucy, our dog, or when we just went on like a little family walk. I really should have brought them, to the point where basically on our second day there, Barish and I happened to go to Costco, and I literally bought a pair of black flip-flops at Costco because I was like, I can't do this. I just need something easy to throw on. So I did end up buying a pair of flip-flops because I didn't bring a very like casual sandal, so I do regret not packing my Tevas. So that is all that I brought clothing-wise. Accessory-wise, I also went very simple. I brought my Apple Watch. I actually brought like these earrings that I'm wearing right now. I just brought little silver hoops. I brought a pair of little like silver studs to put in my second lobe piercing. And then I also brought 1 bigger pair of silver hoops. And then I brought my evil eye bracelet, and that's and my rings. And I brought my rings, and that was it. I just wore everything basically that I was gonna take with me except for the larger hoops. I wore it on the drive there so that I didn't have to worry about keeping track of it. And that is it. I didn't bring a sweatshirt, jacket, anything like that. I didn't need it. So let's dive into the makeup and skincare that I brought. This is my little cosmetic bag. I am obsessed with this thing. It fits an obscene amount of stuff. In this top section, I keep our travel toothbrushes. Obviously our toothpaste would go in there. I keep a little travel deodorant in there as well. And then this section I normally leave to skincare. So I kept it pretty minimal. I actually bought this while I was there. This is all that I packed. So the makeup that I brought with me includes the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm. This is a makeup remover. I brought my ginseng essence water from Beauty of Joseon. My current favorite product, the Pharmacy Honey Milk, which is a hydrating essence. I feel like this has changed my skin. It is amazing. The Mixun Bean Essence Serum. I am really enjoying this as well. I keep this and the little Pharmacy Cleansing Balm in my travel bag, but this is just a little Honey Halo mini moisturizer. Look how cute it is. It's so precious. I actually will be doing a skincare collection and routine video soon. I'm so excited to film that. I could talk about skincare literally all day long. I actually did a makeup video recently and had a lot of fun with that. So if you haven't watched that yet, I'll link it above and below. And the most important thing, some SPF. This is from Beauty of Joseon. This is my favorite SPF. I'm obsessed with this one. And then obviously also brought some Q-tips. And then this is a little lotion for my eczema that I get on my hands, which is really annoying. In this little section here, I have my hair brushes, another kind of deodorant, and then I have all of my makeup. So I went very minimal on the makeup that I brought on this trip. Oh wait, I also brought my little brush for like parting my hair. So I brought the Tower 28 Sunny Days Tinted Moisturizer, which has SPF, and I brought my Glossier Concealer. I brought the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer, and a little brush to use it with. Honestly, I probably could have left both of these at home because I honestly don't even think that I used this the whole time I was there. So this is something I probably could have left at home. I brought the Say blush in the color Chili, as well as this Pixie on the Glow blush in the color Fleur. And I brought this Merit Beauty highlighting stick in the color Kava. It is literally stunning. I brought two eyeshadow sticks. One is this Laura Mercier shadow stick in the color Amethyst, which is just really pretty. I did definitely use this. And I also brought this Etude House Bling Bling stick, which is more of like an eye highlighting stick. I did not use this one at all, but I was still glad that I brought it. Just add a little something special to my looks if I wanted to. Very straightforward for eyeliner. I brought a Stila liquid liner and a Makeup Forever brown eyeliner pencil. I brought the Glossier Boy Brow Gel, which is running out. So I also got the Merit Beauty brow gel and pencil to try. So I am using that now and I think that I like it. I brought two mascaras. I brought the Glossier one for more natural makeup days, and then the Tarte one for days that I wanted to wear a little bit more makeup or have a little more volume in my lashes. I brought an assortment of lip products. This is the 4 I had in my makeup bag, and then I think I had like 3 or 4 more in my purse, which is excessive, but you never know what mood you're gonna be in, so you gotta bring some things, you know? Last but not least, I brought 2 travel perfumes because I like to have options for perfume because I'm obsessed with perfume. So all in all, I feel like that's actually like not too bad for makeup. This last section is like my little armbands for when I wash my face, a hair stick because my baby hairs postpartum are out of control, and then I have like some hair ties and whatnot in there. But overall, I feel like I did a pretty good job with makeup and beauty products. I feel like I kept it pretty minimal. I used pretty much everything that I brought. I think the only thing I probably could have left behind was the Makeup by Mario product and the brush that I brought with that. And honestly, I brought so many lip products, it's a little excessive. I probably didn't need to do that either, but I think that it was fine. Okay, that is it for my little unpack with me. I think overall I did a pretty good job packing for this trip. I think I did a good job anticipating what I would need on the trip. I was very realistic about what we would be doing and what to plan for clothing wise. So I feel like that really helped me make good decisions and keep things pretty minimal. I think that of my clothing and shoe choices, I feel like it all worked together well. It was very cohesive. I think a couple things that I would change is I would have brought a pair of very casual sandals to just slip on for moments when I just wanted to slip something on and bebop around, because I just know myself. I know that I'm gonna want that, so I don't know why I didn't bring them. I was just trying so hard to pack at the least amount possible, but going forward, I'm definitely gonna make sure that I bring that, especially when I'm going home to visit family, because I know that we're just like bebopping a lot of the time.